What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some news that might affect the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the probable price action. So let's start first of all with this chart. I made my previous video right here somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we have to hover for quite some time in between these two levels, the level of 0.65 and the level of 0.786. It is two Fibonacci levels from the very bottom, from this point, let me show it to you, from this point to this top. And we are hovering exactly in the middle of these levels, and for now we are forming something like this. Potentially it might be a resistance, and the 0.65 is the resistance as well, and this might be a support, and we are forming some kind of ascending triangle, and this triangle usually breaks to the upside. But we also have some negative possibility. If I clone this line and make it like this, if we will establish this type of channel, it will be a bearish flag, and in this case we might go lower and we might break this lower support. But I will show you everything in details in my technical analysis, and for now let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. First of all, let me show you that NIO cuts Q3 delivery outlook. August shipments fall 26% month over month. And this article was published on September the 1st, and let me quote you this. NIO delivered 5,880 vehicles in August 2021, representing growth of 48.3% year over year, but lower 25.9% from July deliveries of 7,931 units. As of August 31st, 2021, cumulative deliveries of these electric vehicles reached 131,408 vehicles. However, the manufacturing of ES6 and EC6 was materially disrupted by supply chain constraints due to resurgence of COVID-19 in certain areas in China and Malaysia. Citing uncertainty and volatility of semiconductor supply, the company prudently adjusts the vehicle production and expects to deliver from 22,500 vehicles to 23,500 vehicles in Q3 2021, revised from the previous outlook of 23,000 and 25,000 units. So, as you can see, they made new forecast for their deliveries, and they made this forecast a little bit lower, just for 500 units, and from the high side about 1,500 units. And in my opinion, it couldn't affect the entire production of this manufacturer. Because of this, let me show you another article. NIO is expected to increase right around short-term supply issues. And let me quote you this. Morgan Stanley thinks the Q3 deliveries guidance cut from NIO is reflective of a supply chain hiccup in August and does not diminish the overall growth story. Analyst Tim Xiao said, despite the guidance revision, the new Q3 21 target implies 8.7 to 9.7 thousand units in September, which would represent a notable month-over-month recovery of 48 to 65% and the record high monthly delivery. And because of this, and because of the expectations of NIO Day in 2022 and the preparation for ET7 launch, Morgan Stanley keeps an overweight rating on NIO and the price target of $64. So for now we are hovering right around $39 and $64. Let me show it to you. It is our all-time high somewhere right here, and we have to break this level in order to establish new all-time highs. And it is quite a wise forecast, because main resistance line will be right here at the all-time high, and in this case we might have some kind of pullback in order to collect more steam to break this resistance to the upside. And let me show you more news. First of all, NIO releases NIO Operation System 3.0 as it fights back in software, and the company announced the release of NIO OS version 3.0.0 on August 31st, bringing a new user interface and interaction design, introducing several new features and optimizing and improving the NOMI and NIO Pilot experience. New OS system is the biggest change in the in-vehicle system since the company was founded, and for the first time the system has been completely reorganized and planned. And let me quote you this. Now, with the release of new NIO OS systems, NIO seems to bring results that exceed expectations. And this is quite lengthy article. I will put the link on this article in the description and you can read it by yourself. And next news, that NIO begins allowing customers to test drive ES8 in Norway. And let me show you that NIO Norway user Head and Ho shared the news on NIO app, saying that the test drives opened on August 30th and nearly 300 spots were filled within 3 days of application. And let me show you the showstopper. In addition, NIO transported NIO EP9 supercar from the United Kingdom to the test drive venue, allowing users in Norway to get up close with the car. And this car is really impressive, and in my opinion it will be the competitor of Rimac, and we will see who will win this race. So we have a lot of good news and some bad news, but still, in my opinion, this company remains very bullish. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, how to identify what type of pattern we have right here? In my opinion, we will definitely break this resistance line at the level of $39.4, and we will definitely hit this next resistance, the upper border of this channel. And if we will pull back and then we will hit the lower border of this channel, this will indicate that we have more chances that this is the bearish channel. And if we will break this resistance to the upside, hit this resistance and then bounce back, and our next support line will be right here at $39.4, and we will bounce back from this point, this will invalidate this bearish channel, and this will indicate that we are more bullish than bearish, and it will be definitely a very good sign. So, and what should you do if you want to invest in NIO? First of all, do your own due diligence. And right after that, if you want to invest in this company, you have two possibilities. First of all, you can wait until we will hit this support line. If this is the real case, we will hit it and bounce back from it. In this case, we have more chances to gain more profits with the swing trade for about 8%. But otherwise, if you are a long-term holder, you have to have more evidence that we are bullish. And in this case, you have to wait until we will break this resistance, then retest it from the top, and with a good volume we have to move further. And at this point you can add your position, and you will be more confident that we are pretty much bullish. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!